today's our topic is reference image, and we will see that how we can use reference images and we can edit our pics in MidJourney. So, without wasting any time, let's start. First of all, we will click on this plus button. After clicking on it, we will click upload a file, and we have to choose pic that we want to use reference image. Now we will click on it, open. Here you have to hit or press enter. So after pressing, your pic will take a little time to upload, and it will take just a little time. We have to wait. So here is our pic. What we have to do next, we will click on it, and we have to click on this pic, right click, and copy image address or copy link, both are same. We will click on it, then click anywhere, come here, type slash, click on imagine prompt. We have to paste our link here of our reference image. Control V, with the help of Control V, I have pressed 4 times, so this happened. So let me delete 4 other links. Now here is our final one link. We will comma space. Now we will write our prompt here. So here is our prompt. You can read epic hyperrealistic photo of a fairy wings on a woman's dress in the style of Sam Seprat. Sam Seprat is an artist. You can go and search about it. After writing our prompt, we will hit or press enter or click anything you want to do. So let's see that what MidJourney will give us results. So here is our pic. You can see that this is our pic U1, U2, U3, U4, V1 to V4. So let's see. We will click open in browser so we can see the good quality or full quality. This is pic 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want 4 variations of this pic, you have to click on V1. It will give 4 more variations of the same pic. But if you will click on U1, it will give only one pic that will be upscaled. So you have to choose 1, 2, 3, 4. Same, you want variations or upscale. It's all depend on you. So here we will click on V1. Mean we want these 4 more variations. So we will hit or press V1. So MidJourney will give this result. Now let's see that. We will open it in a new tab so we can see the full quality of it. These are 1, 2, 3, 4. Now choose anyone that you want to upscale. Let U1, U2, U3, U4. So it's all up to you. If you again want 4 variations of the same pic, you have to click V1, V2, V3, V4. But this time I want this picture upscale. So we have to click U2. So when we will click on U2, this will be the result. Let's see this pic in a new tab. So this is the final result, and I wish this video will help you a lot so that you can create your own pics. If you have any type of queries, you can contact me, you can comment, so I will reply you.